my gosh, I look so ratchet. Hey guys, what's up? It's MJ here, aka Keeping It MJ. Today I'm gonna show you my everyday Zoom makeup. Let's get into it. So what do you guys think about Zoom? Do you love it? Do you not love it? Honestly, I feel like I'm a little zoomed out, but I'll be honest, Zoom came through for us during this pandemic. I've been able to keep in touch with friends, family, and just keep, in contact with people. So Zoom, thank you so much. If you ever see this video, I appreciate y'all. And now I think Zoom is still number one. It's the number one virtual meeting platform. So go Zoom. And y'all, I look like a village girl from my country Ghana right now because let me just tell you, I do not like to wear my hair like this in front of the camera, but this is a braid out. I'm an all natural girl, team natural. So that's why I have these braids and sections. Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to beat the clock because I have a Zoom at 10 o'clock exactly, and then another Zoom thing. Today's kind of bittersweet. I'm not going to go into detail, but I like to look decent on Zoom. So even though this is my everyday Zoom look, I do not wear makeup every single day for Zoom. That's just like, no, I can't. But honestly, I do like to look a little bit dolled up only because the camera can make you look hit, y'all. I have a whole work ID that proves this is true. You can either look like you've added some weight or your face just looks real plain and real like, wow. And I do not like that. So I like to look a little cute, just a little bit for the Zoom meetings. And for me, I'm just a simple girl, so concealer is all I put on. I have foundation, but I do not wear foundation unless I'm going to a big event. I just keep showing you guys my culture by teaching you some God stuff. And honestly, I don't need y'all decoding our conversations, because honestly, if you speak another language, you know people be talking about you sometimes. And when they be talking about you, they don't let you know. They'll be like, oh, she said you look really pretty. Lies. No, a lot of times, we're usually saying what we're saying. Sometimes we're not really talking about you. Like, no one has time for that. We're just minding our business, having a conversation and sounding mad because a lot of people are like, you sound mad. I'm like, nah. My aunt literally just said the nicest thing possible, and she sounds like she's mad, but she's not. I promise you. If she was mad, you'd know. You know, boo, you know. So I went from this to this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I have to run because I'm running late now for my Zoom meeting. And I don't know about you guys, but I wear the full attire, okay? I don't just wear top. I wear top and bottom. So I'm ready to go. My dad's been calling me. So I gotta go. Bye guys. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe for more videos like this. This mailman, he about to drop that mail and dip. He don't play no games, y'all. Anyway, bye.